Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the OtterBox Amplify Glass, engineered to endure 5 times anti-scratch technology for your iPhone 12 mini. And this is the iPhone 12 mini right here in product red design. As you can see, it comes with an install kit and you have an accessory kit to clean off your screen. So basically all you do is set this phone into the kit, you peel off the backing right here, and then this piece holds the phone perfectly in place and attaches the glass on the front part of the iPhone 12 mini perfectly. I've used OtterBox glass for many years on many different phones and I've never had one break yet. Not to say that they don't break, but they're very high quality and I've had them for at least 5 to 10 years. So they last a long time on the iPhones that I've tried them on. They also have them for Samsung and other phones as well. But this one is for the iPhone 12 mini and it comes with the accessory kit and the install piece to make everything super easy. It's 5 times anti-scratch technology. It also has superior drop protection and recessed edges. So that is very cool for the lifetime limited warranty for this OtterBox Amplify Glass. You can get it now for the iPhone 12 mini. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.